Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me. For today's eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater After Dark palette. So I just found out today that it's called the Maneater After Dark palette. I thought it was just Maneater palette, but I looked on the back and it said After Dark palette, so hello. Katie, get it together, but you know me. So let's just jump right in. I'm starting off with the shade Enamored. It's the perfect little blending shade for me. I'm very fair, so this is perfect. I'm just putting it in the crease just to get things going. And then I'm gonna go in with this really pretty yellow. It's called Desire, and I'm also putting that in the crease. And I don't really experiment with yellow eyeshadow, but I thought it was pretty, and like I said, I never use yellow, so I figured let's use it today. I'm gonna be honest, this eyeshadow tutorial, this look isn't my favorite. It's not my best, but we're just gonna, it doesn't look bad. So I'm going into the shade Mischievous. Now, forgive me, is this mischievous or is it mischievous? I'm on the fence. I think it's mischievous, but you guys tell me, what do we say? Mischievous? Mischievous? I think it's mischievous. Could be wrong though. I'm not an English major and I have no idea. I barely speak. I barely know how to talk. So anyway, going into the shade Alluring, putting that in the crease, and at this point I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I started winging it out a little bit, as you can see here, but I kind of didn't do a cut crease. I was confused today, guys, so please forgive me. That's why that's why I say it's not my best look ever. I mean, it turned out okay, but it's not my best, so forgive me. I will tell you though, I was on the fence. I said, I'm either gonna get this palette or the Pumpkin Spice #2 or whatever it's called by Too Faced. I ended up getting this one. It just seemed a little bit more interesting, and the shimmers in this palette are amazing. So I'm glad I got this palette. So here I put Hot in here, and I put that right on my lids, and this shade is gorgeous. It's like the perfect copper. It matched my shirt perfectly. And here I'm going in with my old school favorite concealer, the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm just cleaning up my edges, concealing my, discoloration underneath my eyes. And then what really saved this look is the eyeliner. I was so upset about this look until I put the eyeliner on, and then I was like, okay, this looks really, really cute, really, really pretty. So I used the Physicians Formula eyeliner. I set that concealer with the DERMABLEND loose setting powder. I love that powder, guys. It's so good. Makes my under eyes look flawless. And then I highlighted right underneath the eyebrow with the shade, what is the shade called? Playful. And then for the lower lash line, I'm taking Alluring, putting that on the outer edge, and then I'm going to blend that out with Desire and Mischievous, or Mischievous, who knows. I mixed both of those colors and I blended that out, and then I put on these MLBB, My Lashes But Better, by Kiss, and look at that. Look is done. This really came together, guys. I was worried about it, but it came together. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing more fall looks, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!